Babu, who got me corn dog. So this is from 7-Eleven. The first time I tasted it, I said to my Bebo, I don't want it kasi nga I haven't tasted a corn dog that is good. I'm not sure if during that time I'm just famished, that's why I like it. However, I remembered I ate rice first before I had this. So this is it. Let's check if it's still the same.
Walang kagat, corn dog. Corn lang, walang dog.
No, it's filled with cheese. Wala nang corn dog doon.
Ayan na. Sarap na to ah.
Pwede hati tayo, ibigay ko sa ito ang isang corn dog. Pwede hindi masarap
I don't like corn dog right now.
Ay, too much cheese.
Enjoy it. Diba dapat may dip yung ganyan?
Wala ba?
Kita ko lang sa picture. Wala naman sabi mo, ketchup. Would you rather have ketchup? Amos ko yung french fries sa Wendy's.
Ang pangit lang dito, yung hotdog niya, ganyan na. Parang isang gano'n yan, di ba? Half nun. 1/4 ata ito eh.
Hotdog.
At saka yung taste ng hotdog niya, hindi siya tender juicy na hotdog. Parang sa grilled na hotdog. Pero,
Ang ganito nila parang pinalaban ng kariman ng mini-stop.
sarap.
Hindi, well, hindi naman super sarap. Mas better lang sa
Ang gamot.
Kaya, nasa moment na ako eh. Bibitayin mo pa ako.
I don't need any comment saying I'm fat, okay? I don't need your opinion. And you at least taste this.
Yung gitnang part.
Ayoko. Gusto ko. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about, baby.
Kasi kung ang gitnang part eh.
Ano yun?
Wala na, ayoko na. Pagkatang ko na.
Saan yung gitna?
May hotdog.
After, dulo yun, bebo.
Ah,
Diba
dulo ba?
sabi ko 1/4 lang yung meron.
Ang danda, matusok pa.
Wow. So, walang bumili nito kanina?
Kaya siguro, nakatago sa gilid eh. Kung hindi ko ito na lang ng ganun sa likod, hindi mo makikita.
Oh my God. Ito, mas madami siyang cheese. Beach Run. So, the nearest 7-Eleven store that you have at your place and taste this. It's good. Diba sa Valenzuela, dun sa may anong tawag dun, bebo? Nakabili tayo ng corn dog na ganito din, but it's not as good. Be careful. No.
Baka pa yung hotdog.
Gusto mo lang tikman kung tama yung sinabi ko?
Parang matamis yung hotdog.
Oo, kasi nga ibang hotdog siya eh. This is very good. Very good, but the hotdog is very bad. Siguro masarap to kapag nilagyan nila ng alam mo yung hotdog na ano ba yung sausage siya masarap?
Hungarian.
Ay, hindi, yung isa pa.
Frankie's.
Oo, yeah.
Mine too, please.
That's it for this video.
Okay. No mamo today. Busog na.
Mm.